Raise your glass when you see your enemies. And bust a bit.
Them call him dancehall savior. Right now, Intense nice street to find Kapri. Kapri, what style now, father?
Whoop whoop. You don't know no Richie. What we say? Okay, son, show me your network. Running around about all them have the best work. She putting in work and no money not in purse. Silly girl getting con for a converse. Stop asking me how being a done work. They gotta learn to be a man first. Invest in that land for them mom first. Make sure them the kids got pampers. Intense and is them man, you know the thing going on.
What, Kapri? Hey, Kapri, talk to my father now. The journey.
Yeah.
Yo, you been out there do it to my father.
Yeah.
Right now, you and Sean is link up right my father. Talk to it.
Yeah, man, we always a link. You know the thing about the journey. You know school stay. You can't jump from 1 grade to 6. Each grade prepare for the next.
The next process.
Yeah, so right now, we just go to boom and just mash up your way. In this dancehall thing, you know. So I have a master's, my MBA.
Yeah.
Yes, in this music thing, you know. So therefore, time for run up on them. The process is great, you know what I mean? We still learn, we still evolve, but the stage over there right now, I just full take over.
The inspiration behind your music now, where you start off from? Like, who motivated, who push you?
We grew up in a Christian household, so you don't know, we used to go Sunday school and the choir thing and the singing and all them thing there. So we start off from that. You know, my old man, me can remember, on a Sunday, he might play a Bob Marley. Them little thing that was inclination would draw the music out of me. Along the journey, we link up Izzle, see him black with the pan and thing, and the inspiration is there. So him as a man who building beats him, and we as a youth where I write something, they just start feed.
After what song now did you actually take the music industry and say, oh, this is the career, this is the choice?
Mr. G have a thing up on him studio. Sometimes the Sean is at work amongst Mr. G and thing and a good look. And him have a thing in back of Thursday, so we go out to a clash. You see me clash against all 20 artists from all over the country and thing, and we mash it up a couple of times. Well, be a trophy, first place. So that was the inclination of say, yo, we have the stamina for the in front of stage and in front of people, right? And then we go so boom now and do a first recording with Sean Izzle and Mr. G. March up on a girl, you don't know that, never really do what for do. Then we do Dear Mama.
Dear Mama.
Yeah, on the Gully Creeper. When we say Dear Mama, life's been good to me so far.
Oh, that's the song where you do being bars.
Yeah, you know what the thing is. Yeah, you see me? So that now, we end up on the vinyl where Gully Creeper, which is Elephant Man song, up on the A side and we up on the B side. And then it do so well, it end up on the BBC, one extra chart in them time. So that was it.
That song now, the inspiration behind that song now, how it come about? Was it a real life story or something you actually